Hello everybody and welcome to another live. Tonight we are going to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. We are going to analyze Bitcoin with technical analysis. We are going to take a look at on-chain activities, and we are going to talk about some Metaverse projects because I'm buying some lands right now, and we are going to actually cover everything you need to know. I'm going to wait for some people in order to jump in, and after that I'm going to begin this live because this live is going to be fun. Hi everybody, Alexander. Hi Ali, Saeed, Neil. Okay guys, I'm really proud that you jump into the live pretty fast, and let me explain something about some Metaverse projects because something is going on really crazy here. So guys, this project is OVR project. I'm going to talk about it too much in my Metaverse course, and it's really crazy because in this Metaverse project you can actually see the whole world. Right now we are taking a look at United Arab Emirates. Right now we are taking a look at this map, and people are buying these lands. Okay, as you can see, too many lands has been sold, which is crazy, absolutely crazy. And when you zoom in, you can notice something, that some people or some companies, they are buying some areas. They are not buying a land only, they are buying an area. For example, in this area you can see that these whole lands, they are belong to a company. Okay, so if I buy this land, it might go up in upcoming days. Why? Because some companies are working in this area, and if I buy this one, there is a huge possibility that we can see some higher prices. For example, somebody is buying this land right now, and somebody is buying this one and people are bidding on this land. I can bid on this one too, and I'm going to actually, yeah, these are for sale. That was my bad. You can actually buy this one too. For example, here in this area you can see that some company is buying whole this area, and I am buying this one. I'm buying this one in the middle because I think we can see some higher prices in this Metaverse project. Okay, but let's jump into the TradingView website and let's see what's going on in Bitcoin and some on-chain activities, because market is scary again. And let me log in again. So right now you can see that Bitcoin price is moving down. We are somewhere around $42,000, and I think cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is showing us extreme fear once more, which is pretty scary for some people. And right now there is nothing special in cryptocurrency market. On the weekly time frame, you can understand that we didn't have a strong bounce from this $40,000 area, which is really bad. I'm waiting for seeing some sort of strong bounces in order to be sure to see some higher levels in cryptocurrency market. But right now we are not seeing something like that. My stop loss right now is $40,400 if price moves down, and if price hit this level, I'm going to exit my buy positions, because it doesn't worth it to risk anymore. And we might actually see that level again. We might see it again, and we might see this level once more. But I'm going to close my position, okay? Because right now my market is a little bit scary. Let's check WHALES activity. WHALES for more than 0.1 Bitcoin. Let's see what they are doing right now, because these wallets are a little bit important for me. As you can see, these wallets are starting to buy, which is good. And it's good actually, because we had some sort of consolidation in these wallets, but they decided to buy again. And wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin, if you zoom in, you will notice that these wallets they have started to buy again, which is good again. And wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin, they are not buying, they are not selling, they are just observing the market. And we need some buy pressure in these wallets in order to see some higher levels. And wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin, after this huge sell-off, after this massive sell-off, you can see a small buy pressure, really a small buy pressure in these wallets, which is not going to be anything special. But the good news is they are buying a little bit. And also wallets with more than 1,000 Bitcoin, they are not doing anything, absolutely anything. They buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. They buy in this area, they sell in the higher levels, and that's what they do. And wallets with more than 10,000 Bitcoin, you can see that nothing special. So we don't have any kind of a special activity in wallets with more than 1,000 Bitcoin, 10,000 Bitcoin. And we can see some activities in wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin, which is good. The short-term trend in cryptocurrency market will be determined by wallets with more than 1 and 10 Bitcoin. So if we, in the upcoming days, we see some buy pressure in these wallets, it's a good actually sign that we are going to see some higher levels. And I think if market moves down for more prices, these wallets are going to keep buying actually. And it's really good, because if they do that, we are going to see higher levels in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. And I think these wallets are going to get a huge recovery. And maybe we see somewhere around the previous all-time high in these wallets. And that's going to be extraordinary, because as you can see, when these wallets are buying, we see higher levels, and when these wallets are selling, we see lower levels. And right now we had a huge sell-off, but the overall trend in these wallets is bullish. They are still buying, and it's good. I hope to see some recovery in wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin again. And if we see that, we are going to see another bullish wave in Bitcoin. Sajjad is saying that a whale who is buying at the top of the market at the peak is not actually a whale. That's a shrimp. Okay, I agree with you, and yeah, I believe that if it's a whale, whale has to buy somewhere around potential supports, and right now we are somewhere around potential support area. And some people are quite sad with my Metaverse course, and I've decided to increase the number of videos in my Metaverse course, because I wanted to have 30 videos, a complete course, a complete guide into the Metaverse projects. But right now I'm thinking about doubling it. I'm thinking about it, not I'm going to. I'm thinking about having some sort of something like 60 videos. 60 videos about Metaverse. I can remember that the total market of Iranian stock market was moving down, and I have started a cryptocurrency course. Back then, nobody knew cryptocurrency in Iran, and too many Instagram pages, they were, they were mocking me. Actually, they were say something bad about my course and stuff like that. Don't be fooled by cryptocurrencies, and you are going to destroy your money and stuff like that. But after that, we saw a dramatical movement in cryptocurrency market, and uh, they actually switched from stock market to the cryptocurrency market. I am the leader of market. I am moving first. After that, when I move first, small pages, they are going to mock me, but after that they will do the same. Okay, they will do the same. I'm used to it, and that's what keeps happening for me. It's a market cycle, actually. This is a market cycle, and it's better to get used to it. I'm used to get mocked in social medias, and that's not really something special to talk about. I'm not going to waste people's time talking about shit and stuff like that. But wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin are actually buying, and which is good. Let's check exchange balance. Let's see that if exchange balance is moving down, it's going to be pretty good right now. Exchange balance is not moving too much these days. Not really the time to see some bullishness in cryptocurrency market. I think we need time. We need more time. We need more. We need more correction. We need to hit this area again and again and again. I think we are going to see some consolidation in these areas. So, yeah, I think that's going to happen. And if we see a huge sell-off again in these wallets, we are going to break below this level too. And we can actually check exchange inflow volume. As you can see, people are not depositing too much Bitcoin these days, which is good. Let's check exchange outflow volume. They are not withdrawing too, which is the result is actually the consolidation in cryptocurrency market. And let's see about exchange deposits. As you can see, exchange deposit is 40,000 Bitcoin a day. Exchange withdraw is 31,000 transactions. And some whales are actually buying, which is good. Some whales are buying a little bit, not too much, a little bit, a small movement is detected in the market, but we need more. We need something more. We can actually check some market indicators too. We can use, let's see, MVRV ratio. The MVRV ratio has moved down too much, and this area, don't forget about this area, is potential support in the MVRV ratio. Most of market indicators in the oversold area, they are pointing oversold in the market, and it's good right now. It's good. And when I check MVRV ratio and market indicators, I can see that most of indicators are already in the oversold area, and we are actually in the oversold area. We might see some bounces, but whales activity is not confirming the bullish trend yet, I think. Let's check hash ribbon. Nice. Something nice is happening in the hash ribbon, because I was, it was suspicious as it was suspicious of having some crosses in this indicator, but as you can see, this green line is moving up again. Okay. And also we have stable coin supply ratio. The stable coin supply ratio is somewhere near the bottom, and it's good, which is telling us we are near the potential support in cryptocurrency market. And as you can see, most of market indicators, they are somewhere near the potential support area. And yeah, we can check other indicators. For example, pool multiple is moving up. I don't like it. Balanced price is somewhere around $20,000. The balanced price is it's a nice indicator. It's a floor price for Bitcoin, and as you can see, Bitcoin price is not moving below this line. And right now, this balanced price is $20,000, and I think the worst scenario, and the worst scenario of all time, I mean, the worst thing that can happen in the market is $20,000 Bitcoin, and after that I think we are going to see higher levels, because this is a floor price for Bitcoin. Okay, this is this is the actually worst thing ever. Worst thing ever. Okay. Guys, I know most of people in this live are Persian people, but after I save this live video, some foreign people are starting to watch this video, so I have to speak in the international language, and I really forced to do that. Okay? Let's check reserve risk. I've just started to use this indicator. It was really funny because this green area in this indicator is the buy zone for Bitcoin. As you can see, when we enter this green area in this indicator, we have some bounces, some strong recoveries. And right now we are entering this green area again. And, if we have more correction in this indicator, it's going to be pretty well. I'm not really sure about $40,000 bottom, but what I am sure about that is that if we see lower levels, if we see $30,000, $28,000, I am going to enter buy position. I'm going to buy a bunch of Bitcoins, maybe 5, maybe 10, something like that, because I'm pretty sure that if we reach $30,000, we are actually going to hit some higher levels. You can ask your question, Hossein. I'm reading comments. I'm waiting for your question, man. Guys, if you are enjoying this live video, don't forget to give me some thumbs up, because if you liked this video, you help this video to get viral. Like this live video. Thank you. Thanks everybody. So I think right now this is everything we need to know about cryptocurrency market status, and actually that's everything we need to know. I think, in my opinion, is that we are going to see some trading range for Bitcoin. Maybe we hit this $40,000 area again from $40,600. If price moves down, we are going to see another bounce, because this area on lower time frame is a stop hunted. This long shadow, this big brother here, has a stop hunted Bitcoin buyers, Bitcoin bulls, and if price moves down again, we are actually going to see higher levels again. And that's where I'm going to enter buy position on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin price moves down in upcoming days, I'm going to buy here, and after that price can move up. In my previous live videos, I have talked about Dogecoin, and something really funny has happened to the Dogecoin. I was mentioning that we might go up and hit this level again, which we did. Right now we are at this level on 17 cents. If Dogecoin wants to move up, it has to happen from this level. Um, Let me answer your question. I think most of you have some problems with fake breakouts. And I'm not going to call this big shadow a fake breakout. Okay, this is not a fake breakout. Or even here at this price is not a fake breakout. These are not fake breakouts. And the reason is that in the higher time frames, you have a big support areas at this level. Okay, for example, on weekly time frame, the potential support area is here. So in the lower time frame, you might see some big shadows, but they are just penetrations in the market. And yeah, that's not a stop hunter. That's the fake breakout. That's just a small penetration in the market. Okay. Yeah, this is everything about Bitcoin right now and Bitcoin status. Let's check Ethereum too. In the Ethereum price and the weekly time frame, let's zoom in. I think we are going to have consolidation for Ethereum too, and the higher time frames we might see consolidation. If this candle closes like this for Ethereum, if we have a close like this for Ethereum, I think we are going to see the potential support area again. Okay, I think we are going to see the potential support area again. And 3 hours left in order to see a close in the Ethereum candle, in the Ethereum daily candle. If we close something like this, we are going to see some lower levels for Ethereum. Everything you hear and see in this video is not a financial advice, not Metaverse, not cryptocurrencies. Nothing is financial advice for sure. I know it goes without saying, but not a financial advisement. I think we are going to see a bounce from $3,000 in Ethereum again. Now this area is pretty huge for Ethereum. And I hope you enjoyed tonight live. I want to do some live trades, but right now market status and the majority of cryptocurrency market is not really good in order to enter some live trades. And market is a little bit, it's a little bit hard to actually do some live trades. It's not even wise to do that. Okay, I need more volume in the market. I need to see some bounces or some breakouts from the support in order to enter some buy positions. Right now, I'm not going to do anything. Actually, I'm just observing cryptocurrency market, and I'm not doing anything. If we see more correction and if we break below $40,000, I'm going to do something about it. But right now, I'm just observing cryptocurrency market, and I'm planning about upcoming days, bullish or bearish. I'm ready. Okay. We have Jamal asked a question that will we have another all-time high in 2022? It's too soon to judge cryptocurrency market for 2022, but I need to see more whales activity in upcoming days. Okay, I need more whales activity in upcoming days, and I'm going to mention my opinion. I'm going to tell you my analysis somewhere around February. Okay, I need to wait until 15th of February. After that, I think this correction is going to get ended, and I'm going to talk about it in that time. Okay, I need to wait for 30 days. I need 30 days. I hope you enjoyed tonight live. If it was useful for you, give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are going to talk about some important stuff in cryptocurrency and technical analysis, on-chain activities, Metaverse. I'm going to talk about some lands that I'm buying right now. See you later, and bye for now.